I've finally done it. I've gone and bought a horse. I've always wanted one. I'm so excited. I've got a few things to sort out and then we'll go and have a look at it. Here's a quick look at all the parts that came through the post. I've snipped off the plastic tie wraps that kept all the bars together. And now I'm going to do what they always advise you to do and just have a quick check to see if all the parts are there before I start putting it together. Yeah. That's all the screws and washers checked and counted, and they match up with what the instructions say. And that's all the different stanchions and poles and cross members and what have you, all checked and counted, and they match up with what should be there. So now we've got the good bit where there might be some swearing, hopefully not, when I start to put this thing together. Wish me luck. Right, so I managed to get the whole job finished. There was a little bit of swearing, I'll come to that in a minute. But it wasn't too bad. The instructions are easy to follow. I didn't film it because it's just a lot of screwing and tightening things, and it's all in the instructions anyway. These are the tools I used to do the job. Just a couple of adjustable spanners. I couldn't be bothered looking for the right size, but it was okay. Little drill, the screwdriver attachment in it, and some snips to get the packaging apart. And here's the finished sawhorse all together, and it even looks like the instructions, the picture in the instructions. It was quite a biggish thing, but it's sturdy enough. Yeah, nothing wobbling there, nothing's come apart, everything's tightened. So this log's about 3 foot long, so you can put longer logs on, and we'll have a look at sawing one of them up in a minute. So the main reason I got this sawhorse is because I struggle to cut up logs and anything round really. I normally use this table, folding table, collapsible work table. It's really good. This is by Keita. This is great for my usual setup of using this chop saw to cut up, you know, beams like this, blocks of wood. No problems, can fit the clamps on here, fit the clamps on the table, hold the wood down, all sorts. It's great for that, but no good for doing logs and round stuff. This table is also great for smashing up kindling, which is what I'm going to do today. Well, turning the bags of kindling that they sell you in the shops into proper kindling, just using a stick to hold it and then smash it down with my little hatchet axe. Yeah, the kindling they sell, I mean, oh, look at that. That's not kindling, is it? It's too big. It's like a little log there. So yeah, it's great for that. But again, no good for doing logs and round stuff. There's the end result, with the kindling being done. So we've got a log ready to cut up on the sawhorse. I put a sacrificial piece of wood underneath so I don't hit the metal crossbar at the bottom once the chainsaw goes through the wood. So we'll sort the chainsaw out and have a go at that. Check the chainsaw over, chain's tight enough, plenty of oil in it. Just going to do a little practice cut here, just to bed it down into the sawhorse. I think the wood's a bit rotten. Anyway, it is in there, that bit. Okay, and now let's just get this bit off the front. one log. There's another. Might be able to just break that bit. There we go. I just had a load of geese flying over. So this is like a block beam. I struggle with these as well once they're too big, so we'll have a go at this one. That one a lot smoother. That I suppose it's just a case of getting used to it. That's the kind of size that I'm looking for. Ideal. Yeah, it's going to make life a lot easier, this. Oops, we need to go all the way through like that. Job of put that sacrificial bit of wood under there, so there's two more, ideal size. Let's try and get some more out of this. So that's a nice little pile of logs that'll keep us going for a couple of nights. I've got a stack of stuff to cut up, so I'm going to get cracking, but that's definitely going to make life a lot easier, that sawhorse. Well, that's not a bad little stack of logs. That'll keep us going for a few nights combined with the kindling and the coal. So yeah, a lot easier, obviously with the chainsaw and being able to use the sawhorse. The one I've got was from Harbour Housewares on eBay, and it only cost me $24.99 and postage was free. So I think it's quite a bargain really, and it's made the job a lot easier. I've always wanted a horse.